Hey guys, welcome to iOS shortcut tutorial number 2. This is a quick and easy way to prank your friends if you ever get a hang of their phone and can get access to their Shortcuts app. So let's go ahead and pop into Shortcuts. And essentially what we're going to do is go into Automation, click the little plus button, and create a new personal automation. Now the prank we're trying to play is that every time they snooze their alarm, we're going to have it do something. So we're going to go ahead and click Alarm under Events, set it to Is Snoozed, and let's do Wake Up Alarms. So click Next, and now we can have it do any number of things. In this case, I'm just going to say call Chris Pratt every time they snooze their alarm. So you can set that to your mom, you can set that to yourself, do it to anyone. But this is an example action. We click Next, and we can turn off this Ask Before Running. What this means is the moment they snooze their alarm, it'll automatically make the call, no prompt. So we click Done, and there we go. That is iOS tutorial number 2.